In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient texture in Blender. First, open Blender and add your object. So I'm just gonna go with a sphere, so I'll just delete the default cube and press Shift A and add a mesh for UV sphere, and I'll just right click on the UV sphere and choose to shade smooth to make it appear smooth. Now we will just split your viewport into two panels. So I'll just drag it like so, and it will be separated to different viewports. One will be for the material preview. You can just drag it at the right side and make sure to set it as material preview. And after that, you can just go ahead and resize it to your liking. And at the left hand side, just click on the editor type and make sure you go to the shader editor. Now you can go ahead and minimize this by just dragging and just click on plus new. You will see a principal BSDF node will be automatically added. Now to create a gradient, just press Shift A and in the search bar, just search for color ramp and add the color ramp node and make sure to connect the color of color ramp node with the principal BSDF. So I'll just drag it and connect it like so. And now you will see a basic gradient applied, but it is not easy to control it yet. So we will just go ahead and press Shift A once again, and in the search bar, just search for gradient texture and add the node and connect the color with the factor of color ramp like so. And now you can adjust the black and white stops in the color ramp to change the color like so. And you will see we have successfully applied a simple gradient texture. Now if you want to rotate the gradient, just press Shift A and in the search bar, just search for mapping and add the mapping node. And once again press Shift A and in the search bar, just search for texture coordinate. So first, connect the generated of texture coordinate with the vector of mapping like so, and connect the vector of mapping to the vector of gradient texture like so. And now you can rotate the gradient in the y-axis. For example, I will just go to the rotation, and in the y-axis, I'll just type 90 and hit enter, and you will see we have successfully rotated our sphere. Now to change the gradient color, just go to the color ramp and just click on the color, and you will see a color slider. Just click on the slider, move your slider upwards to see the color, and let's say I want to add blue color. I'll just slide it to blue and click off to apply. And let's say I want to change the whites, so I'll just click on the white slider and change it to red like so. And you will see we have successfully applied our gradient texture. Now we can just go ahead to principal BSDF and decrease the roughness like so to make the material shiny. And that's it. That's how to create and customize a gradient texture in Blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.